What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Come along with me as I organize underneath my kitchen sink, which is clearly a hot mess, using my new organization racks from Temu. I know, I think I may be addicted now, but these things were awesome. The price was great. They were only $8.65 for the both of these. They fit perfectly underneath my sink, and they did such a great job helping me organize this big mess. So if you guys would like your own organization racks, click the link in my bio. I have a coupon for 30% off for you guys and a $100 bundle code. And like I said, these racks were only $8.65 for both of them, so that was such a deal. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this transformation. Another thing that's really nice about these racks is that you can adjust them really easy, especially if you have taller products like I do and they don't quite fit on the bottom rack. You just slide the thing up and down and they'll fit under there perfectly. And here is the end result. It looks so much better and more organized, and I can see everything clearly and grab everything that I need easily. So like I said before, if you guys are interested in your own organization racks, just click the link in my bio and you can get your own.